Well, YouTube, look at that. The pin spot is on, and so is the disco ball. The blue one, the cyan one. Wow, that was awesome. You see all those dots going everywhere. Well, you can't really see it now, but wait. Now you can. Now you can see the dots going everywhere. You know what? Let's add some more cyan light. Check this out. Remember this? So that's my RGB computer mouse. But watch this. Let's see. Okay, I must have to turn it on up here. Let's see if it turns on like this. Okay, no, it does not turn on like that. Oh, wait. Well, let's turn it on up here. Let's see, is it turning on? There it goes. Watch. Look at that, everyone. The mechanical keyboard is on, and it's on cyan. Wait. Forgot which button I was supposed to press. Oh, here's that one. Skip that. Oh, I see, right there. Well, we got the cyan light on. Let me turn the brightness on the... Wait, which one turns brightness down? Oh, there it is. There it is. Now brightness is down. Now y'all can see the cyan. Let me see what's on. It's been a while since I've done this thing. At least all the keys are lighting up. Oh, okay, it is the second one. Okay, there we go. It's finally working. Alright. There's blue, magenta, white, darker white, red, orange, yellow, green, cyan. Alright, and there we go. And now, look at all that. Mechanical keyboard on cyan. RGB computer mouse, which changes colors on its own. And we have the disco ball, providing some awesome cyan light. And there we go. Thanks for watching, and more to come later.